Welcome to Fully Bright in 10. Here we will get it right, get bright, and stay bright. In this video, we will look at understanding some key terms that are necessary to grasp as CSEC economics students. So let's get bright. First, what is economics? This is the study of how scarce resources are allocated given that a society has unlimited wants. Basically, what is available is less than what we want. So, we have a problem, right? How do we satisfy the unlimited with the limited? Well, this is what economics studies. Economics is broken up into two main fields: microeconomics and macroeconomics. And then these fields are further divided into different subfields. Microeconomics focuses on the smaller picture and studies the decision-making behavior of firms and individuals. It's also divided into subfields like labor economics, behavioral economics, and experimental economics. Macroeconomics, on the other hand, focuses on the bigger picture and studies the performance of an economy. It is also divided into subfields such as monetary economics, international economics, and financial economics. Now, what is an economy? This is a system of production, distribution, and consumption activities. Did you know that within an economy, we can think of three main groups of people or economic agents? Yes, households, firms, and the government. Did you understand what is economics, the branches of economics, what is an economy, and the main agents in an economy? I bet you did. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to Fully Bright in 10, where we get it right, get bright, and stay bright.